Hello friends, today we're going to be looking at the Lift the Flap First 100 Trucks and Things That Go. Things that go. Yeah, alright, things that go. Around the town, lift the flaps to see the different trucks around the town. At the hospital, we have ambulance. At the school, we have a school bus. Post office, a mail truck. House, a car. Fire station, fire truck. Count the wheels. Look at these things that go. How many wheels does each one have? A garbage truck, 6. Family car, 4. Concrete mixer, 8. Motorcycle, 2. Cable repair truck, 6. Pickup truck, 4. Bicycle, 2. All-terrain vehicle, also known as an ATV, 4. A freight truck, 10. People on the move. Streetcar, passenger jet, passenger ferry, taxi, passenger train, stretch limousine, bus. Important jobs. Some vehicles do specific things. Can you guess what vehicles carry the things below? Ice cream, an ice cream truck. Horse, horse truck. Mined rock, dump truck. Log, timber truck. Hay bales. Tractor and trailer. Package and letters. Delivery truck. A car. Car transporter. Construction. A backhoe loader. A mini excavator. Skid steer loader. A digger. A forklift truck. Bulldozer. Steamroller and crane. Colorful things that go. What colors are these things that go? Lift the flaps to see if you're right. A fire truck. Red, giant excavator. Blue, sports car. Orange, snowplow. Yellow, tracked tractor. Green, steam train. Black, convertible. Silver, sailboat. White, big rig. Purple. It's an emergency. Lifeguard truck, ambulance, police motorcycle, airport fire truck, fire chief truck, Coast Guard boat, rescue helicopter, police tow truck. What's my ride? Lift the flaps to see the vehicles that go with these jobs. Fisherman, I catch fish. Fishing trawler. I build tall buildings, construction worker. Mini dump truck. I keep people safe. Police officer. Police car. I explore space. Astronaut. Space shuttle. I travel across the sea. Captain. Cruise ship. On the farm. Tractor and seeder. Hay baler. Telescopic handler. Combine harvester. Forklift tractor. 4x4 and horse trailer. Forage harvester. Tractor and plow. Amazing opposites. Big, small, fast, or slow. Lift the flaps to find out what is the opposite to each of these vehicles. A monster truck is big. A scooter is small. A plane flies in the sky above. A subway train travels under the ground below. A high-speed train is fast. A tractor is slow. A fuel tanker is long. A city car is short. Up in the air, private jet, seaplane, hang glider, biplane, propeller plane, jumbo jet, glider, helicopter. Hide and seek. There are 8 hot air balloons in the sky. Lift the flaps to find them all. You found one. Well done. This is an aerobatic airplane. Keep looking. Here's another one. Excellent work. This is an ultralight. But keep looking. Wow, you found not one but 2 hot air balloons this time. Recreational vehicle, RV, also known as an RV, an airship, and a coal train. On the water, sailboard, rowboat, water taxi, jet ski, container ship, motor cruiser, tall ship, kayak. What am I? Read the questions below. Which vehicles would you use? Lift the flaps to find the answers. What travels fast across the water? A speedboat. What speeds on a track? A race car. What do you drive on snow? A snowmobile. What races on dirt and mud? A dirt bike. What car drives on the road without using gas? An electric car. What speeds through the sky? A fighter jet. What can travel across the desert? A dune buggy. What carries goods along the rail tracks? A freight train. The end. Thank you so much for stopping by, and until next time, have fun.